Hello everyone, welcome back. I want to quickly show you what I'm going to be doing with the seed heads of my oriental poppies. So let me turn you around and I will quickly show you.
So this is what I wanted to show you. So these were the oriental poppies, and they were lovely. I might just put a picture of them in full bloom. They were huge. The center was so beautiful. It was literally like so nice and architectural. Really nice plants, and they flowered really well. So these flower in I think it was end of May, June, throughout June, and afterwards you have these lovely seed pods, which you can leave to dry out. You can hear a little bit. I don't think there is much seeds inside. So you can leave them to dry out in your borders, and then obviously take them out in the autumn or in the spring, up to you if you wanted to have neat a garden or leave the seed pods for wildlife. But as a florist, as a flower farmer, what I'm going to do with them is I'm gonna cut the stems down and let them dry out naturally. So I can either cut them and then just hang them down, so they will have more of straighter stem, but I kind of like them being all wonky and everything. This is a nice example. This is really nice, and what I'm planning on doing with them is to use them in autumn in wreaths or in bouquets, and they will get nice dry kind of like very natural brownish color. Or you can also spray paint them, sorry, for Christmas, and use them for Christmas in wreaths or in your decorations, and they look lovely. They will be really nice in gold or silver or some sort of metallic color, but also nice natural color. And let me just quickly show you here what they look like. Obviously this one has dried out naturally, so it would be this kind of color, and you can take off these leaves if you want to and literally just leave the seed on, or let them dry with the leaves depending on how you like them. So yeah, let me just go ahead, cut them off, and I will show you what they look like. The stems are actually really long, so I will show you what they look like when I got them all cut. So just wanted to show you when you cut it, you can see how nice of a long stem it is. It has this leaf, or if it has any leaves on, obviously just pull it out. Piggy's trying to play with it. What is it? What is it? And so these leaves, Vic, leave it. Good boy. Get rid of these leaves if you don't want them on. Ow, hey. And that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Nice, clean stem.
Right guys, so this is what they look like. I have about 20 in here maybe, and this is just from 2 plants basically. Nice, sturdy, as you can see, and yeah, so you can either put them in a vase like that, or you can just hang them upside down like this. Yeah. Let them dry. What I'm gonna do is to leave it outside for a first couple of days, just to get rid of any left out insects or anything like that on it, and then I'm gonna put it inside. It will be really nice, hot and dry for the next couple of days, so I don't mind that. They won't get moist. And yeah, as I said, I'll bring them inside later on. So yeah, this is what you do, and you can do this with wild poppies as well, from the field, or if you have garden with wild poppies, or your field or nearby gardens, obviously ask people for permission to cut off anything from their gardens, but I'm sure people won't mind. So yeah, if you want a little nice decoration for later on this year, that's a nice touch. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. I know it was shorter. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like it if you did enjoy, and also don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Bye bye.